Well, tonight we are going to land to Bromma Airport, ESSB. This is one of my last flights with Sierra Echo Mike in November.
In November, 30 track miles to go. When ready, descend altitude 2,500 feet, QNH 1028.
Descending to 2,500 feet on QNH 1028, Sierra Echo Mike in November. Oh, we are going to descend to 2,500 feet now. Power off a bit, let's say 60%.
In November, turn left heading 090.
090, Sierra Echo Mike in November. And it's very dark. We're going to descend through the clouds now. Bit bumpy. It is good. Okay, descent checklist. Ending okay, 8 is okay, approach analysis brief. Okay. QNH 1028. Fuel selectors both, parking brake off, the warning alarm. Prepare for LS. Frequency set to Bromma Tower. Thousand, 1,500 to go. It is good.
November, turn left heading 070.
070 Sierra Echo Mike in November. So we have Huddinge Hospital and the Fleming's station underneath us. Of this light. So we have a frequency 118.1 Bromma Tower. We're descending to 2,500 feet. Speed is good. Everything is checked. 1028 and a small addition. Correction here as well. And we are on 2,500 H1028. Have a Globen on 10 o'clock, left, right. $2,500 feet. Power 65%. So, just activate vectors to find. We're expecting to turn towards Nacka and then fly over Hammarby Sjöstad, Södermalm. Straight ahead runway 30 to Bromma. Expecting new vectors anytime. Fuel transfer. Actually pretty calm tonight, not so much wind. Total 16 knots.
Sierra India November, turn left heading 330, clear Dallas, runway 30.
330, clear ILS, runway 30, Sierra Echo Mike in November. And this is our final turn to catch ILS for runway. It's not possible to see the airport at the moment.
Sierra India November, confirm established.
Reporting established, Sierra Echo Mike in November.
Sierra Echo Mike India November, contact tower 118.1.
118.1, Sierra November. Bromma Tower, Sierra Echo Mike in November, reporting established.
Sierra Echo Mike India November, Bromma Tower, continue approach.
Continue approach, Sierra Echo Mike in November. And now we have a runway ahead of us.
Sierra India November, wind 340 degrees, 4 knots, runway 30, clear to land.
Clear to land, Sierra Echo Mike in November.
Bromma-tornet, Mediflight 5980. Mediflight 5980, Bromma-tornet.
Ja, alldeles strax i Stora Värtan. Vi är 4 personer ombord och vill gå mot Karolinska.
Mediflight 5980 klar, Karolinska 1500 fot eller lägre, QNLG 1028.
Klar mot Karolinska 1500 fot eller lägre, QNLG 1028, 5980.
It is good. Feed is good. Flaps. and Bromma.
Minimums. Minimums.
Power off slightly, off slightly, power off. Runway 30. Of crosswind. Nice and easy landing. Braking, braking. Flaps up.
Sierra India November vacate via Yankee 3 and taxi to apron east, Graf Air via Yankee.
Exiting Yankee 3 and Yankee 2, Graf Air, Sierra Mike India November.
Sierra India November, stand by for ground 121.6.
121.6, Sierra Mike India November. Bromma Tower, Finnair 1 Romeo uniform.
Finnair 1 Romeo uniform tower, line up runway 30.
Line up runway 30, Finnair 1 Romeo uniform.
Bromma 5440 lämna. Polis 5440, anmäl om ni vill till in i kontrollzonen igen. Tackar.
Mike, stand 10, request start up.
Scaling 184 Mike, start up is approved.
Scaling 82 Golf.